I read a book that I absolutely loved, which is from one of my favorite authors. Her name is Elizabeth Strout. This is her 10th novel and it's called Tell Me Everything. I've read three other novels written by her, which is My Name is Lucy Barton and Olive Kitteridge and O. William. Elizabeth Strout's writing is deceptively simple. At the same time, there's something very intense about it. And you will definitely be captivated. Now, this book, Tell Me Everything, is not a thriller. It's not a adrenaline filled adventure novel. Yet, I could not put it down because I really wanted to know what is going to happen. This book and Elizabeth Strout's books in general are about ordinary lives and ordinary people. Yet there's something so extraordinary when she writes about it. This book, Tell Me Everything, I feel is about quietness. The quietness that exists between different kinds of people, between friends, between acquaintances, between strangers, between spouses, and how different this quietness is, and what different messages are conveyed by this quietness. Sometimes it is solace, and sometimes it is understanding, and sometimes it is an accusation. So, all these things are brought forth in her books through her characters. Basically, this novel, Tell Me Everything, is about Lucy Barton. Lucy Barton has appeared in some of her earlier novels. So, in Elizabeth Strout's novels, you can often find characters wandering in from other books of hers. But you really don't have to read it in any particular order. You can read any book and be equally captivated. So in this book, there is Lucy Barton and then there is Bob Burgess. Both of them are in Crosby, a small town in Maine. It's autumn, and I love how she describes autumn. And Bob and Lucy are friends, and they often go for walks together where they share sometimes inconsequential things about their lives, sometimes deep hurts and misunderstandings and things that have hurt them or moved them. Then there is Olive Kittredge. Olive is also there in this book. So she is living in a retirement community. And all these three people come into contact with each other. Olive strongly feels that Bob and Lucy are falling in love. But is that really true? Anyway, but that is not the story. The story is about the people. The people there. It's about Bob, who is a very wonderful human being. He is somebody who tries to understand other people and who tries to understand where they're coming from. He's a lawyer. Then Lucy Barton is a writer with deep insecurities. Olive Kittredge is arrogant and she is full of attitude, yet she also hides a lot of hurts within her. And then running in the background somewhere is a murder which is to be solved, and a murder for which the accused asks Bob to represent him. So the story is basically about these three people. What I loved about it is how it goes beneath the exteriors and sees what they really go through. And there is a line which talks about unrecorded lives. Most of our lives go unrecorded, and yet it's so important for us and it's so valuable for us. So Lucy Barton talks about unrecorded lives, and I found that that was such an important part of this novel. I learned so much through the conversations that Lucy and Bob had. I learned about what to express and how to express, and what happens when you do not express things that affect you so deeply, and why you are unable to express so many things that affect you so deeply. Um, this is a book which talks about loneliness and also about human connections, and how loneliness is often not a choice but is often thrust upon individuals. This book moved me, and like all of Elizabeth Strout's book, it kept me thinking, and it made me think about my life, and it made me think in general. And I love when books do that, when you go into your own world even after reading the book, and you keep connecting back to the book. And sometimes when you're reading the book also, you find that you've got answers for questions you didn't even know you had. So that is Elizabeth Strout, and that is Tell Me Everything, written by her. So I suggest that you should go and read it. Everybody should try reading Elizabeth Strout's book, just to get to know human lives better and to know that there are other lives out there which mirror our own so much. And how, like I said, we can get a lot of answers. So that's it for today. Till we meet again for the next video, you guys stay safe, take care, keep reading. Bye bye.